Hi guys, this is Zach Connor with Logan Graham and Connor Accountants. It is June 23rd, our second installment of Q&A Tuesday. The question we have today is regarding stimulus checks. And it's kind of a question and kind of just a topic I want to go over, but we have been asked, like, hey, what kind of document retention stuff do we need for our 2020 taxes? Do we need anything? And the answer to that question is yes. About 15 days after you received your stimulus money, you received a letter in the mail. That letter was called Notice 1444, and it was actually the letter that it said on the top, the White House. On the bottom, it had Donald Trump's signature. It looked like this one. Of course, I took out the names to protect the innocent. Oh, I'm horrible at this. Right? It has Donald Trump's in here. Let's talk right there. Okay. It talked about, we're pleased to inform you that as provided by the CARES Act, you're receiving economic impact payment of, and the dollar amount. How's it going to get to you? Direct deposit. We have to have that information. The IRS just sent out a notice about yesterday, I think, regarding saying, hey, taxpayers, you have to keep that letter. Bring it in when you get your taxes done next year. It's information we have to have. You're saying, well, why, Zach? I mean, it's already done. I've heard it's not taxable income. It's like, yeah, you are correct. It is not taxable income for 2020. But keep in mind, straight from the IRS website, it says taxpayers will not include the payment in taxable income on their 2020 tax return or pay income tax on that payment. But also, it was an advance credit, meaning it was a credit that should have went on the 2020 return, but the IRS decided to give it to you early. Okay. Taxpayer, it will not reduce a taxpayer's refund or increase the amount of tax a taxpayer owes when the taxpayer files their 2020 federal income tax return next year. I don't know how many times in one sentence you can put tax return, but they did it a lot there with the IRS. So, yeah, basically, try to break this down. You all know it was $1,200, and it could have went down based on phase outs or whatnot. But say, for instance, just for argument's sake, you only received $1,000. You should have got $1,200. Okay. When you file your 2020 tax return in 2021, you're going to bring in this letter. Okay, it's going to say $1,000 on your tax return. It's going to say, hey, he should have got $1,200. That's when that reconciliation is going to occur. You're going to receive another $200 on your tax return. That's why it's important that we have these. Okay. Talking with other people, gosh, Zach, I threw mine away. What am I going to do? Utilize the tools on the IRS website to maybe get that figure on how much was due. Or another option would be get your bank statement. Print that off, highlight what date you got it, and also the amount, and we'll go from there. Okay? Again, that's all going to be reconciled on the 2020 taxes. The IRS say you did not get enough money. The IRS won't fix it right now. Basically, the check that you got in May or in April, or maybe some of you in June, and it's going to go all the way through September. Say that's not enough. Be patient. It's all going to be reconciled on your 2020 tax return. So, if I leave you with anything today, keep that letter. Okay? If you guys have any questions, give us a holler here at Logan Graham and Connor Accountants. Thanks. See you next week. Bye.